guys, I'm back with the gel polish mini. So Nail Reserve sent me over some gel polishes to feature on my channel. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me these polishes. And there are 4 colors, plus they sent over 2 essential items for gel polish. So the first color is Lotus, which is a nice bright pink, and I did do the swatch stick with base coat, 2 coats of color, and 1 no wipe top coat. So that's the first color. The second one is the Big Picture, which is a peach shade, kind of peachy orange to me. So again, I like to put swatch sticks against my skin just to see how it's going to look. And the next color is Divide. I think I'm saying that correctly. It is an electric yellow, so it's like a neon yellow, perfect for the summer. Nice and vibrant. The last color is Cactus Dream, which is a vibrant light green, which I think that's a nice color for the spring and or the summer. And so Nail Reserve also sent over base gel polish and the no wipe top coat. These polishes are vegan and cruelty free, and they have roughly a 24-month shelf life. And Nail Reserve Los Angeles used to be Nail Addict Los Angeles, and so they have rebranded, and same company, same product, just a different name. And so 3 of these colors were part of the You Got This Babe collection bundle, which is there on the screen. And so I've gone in and applied peel off base coat off camera, allowed that to dry, and then I applied the base gel polish and cured for 30 seconds. These polishes are a 30-second cure. And so just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. So with Nail Reserve, they've kind of rebranded their site. And so if you go to purchase gel polishes, they do have a VIP membership, which is $29 a month, that you can allow to build up, that because you pay $29 or you get a $29 credit, or you can select the pay as you go option. I do have a discount code for 50% off of your purchase if you don't want to sign up for the VIP membership program. So after I get the second coat of polish applied, you could just leave it as one coat. These are nice, highly pigmented, and you can get away with one coat coverage. And so I have some decals that I cut out here. These decals are from Nail Drip Custom Water Decals, but this company is no longer in business. I'm not sure why, because I loved her decals, and they were like $3 for decals. They were roughly $3 to $6 for decals. And so I had this set, and I do have quite a bit of that collection. And so I decided to use those decals from Nail Drip Custom Water Decals, as I thought the two decals that I picked out went perfect with the colors of this mini. And so sorry I get out of frame a little bit. And so I'm just trying to get that decal on the nail. I'm using the tacky layer from the cured gel polish to adhere the water decals. And so the one on my ring finger, I end up peeling that up and placing it back on the nail because it wasn't covering my entire nail, and then it was a little bit wrinkly. So off camera I cut out a new decal, sprayed it with water, and repeated the application. Also off camera, I cleaned up any excess decal from my sidewalls and cuticle area and free edge of my nail with a nail brush and acetone. And then I also applied a layer of gel base coat and cured for 30 seconds. And so now I'm going in with a layer of no wipe top coat. You want to apply a thin layer of that, cap the free edge of your nail, and then cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. After curing, I did notice that on my middle finger had some gel polish running to the sidewall of my nail, which is unusual. I must have had too much polish on the nail. So guys, here is the finished look. Please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. I thought this was a perfect set for the spring. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.